What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Funfair Kai, and today we are looking at a abandoned barn. Obviously, that's the outside of it. I'm here with my friend on his BMX bike. I'm here with my Carrera. I just hope that everyone likes this video and like it, thumbs the video up and subscribe. Let's have a look inside the barn, shall we? So I found these bikes in there as well, all burnt out and fucked.
That was inside the barn the other day.
Jesus.
Oh.
Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, this is abandoned barn, really. Well, there, I got up there.
Yesterday.
No, today. This is inside the abandoned barn. We'll see. Yeah, there's some good graffiti in here as well. Very good graffiti. But really not much. With underneath the structure as well. Electrical box is there. Obviously there's not much left of it, is there, really? It's just all fucked up wires. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the fire started. Yeah, so pretty much this is something that I'm new to. Well, it's not new really, it's just that I like it, stuff is. Obviously, I'm not planning to do any more of these abandoned buildings. Also, I know there's a couple, but yeah. But if you like this video, just subscribe and yeah, if you like it, subscribe and click the bell and yeah, and I'll be uploading more Funfair videos as well. Bye for now.